Hey guys, this is Absolute Pokemon. In this video I'm going to be opening up a 3-pack blister with Turtonator for the hollow. I'll just get into this quick. There's 1 pack, 2 packs, and the 3rd. And here's the promo code for you guys. Promo code? Online code card. Here's the promo card that comes with the pack. And then we get 3 packs of Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. So onto the first pack. Four and 2. And we start this pack off with Bellsprout. Chuck that on the floor. Cottony. Alolan Sandshrew. Stuffle. Tentacle. Steel Energy. Gliscor. Altar of the Moon. Altar of the Sun. A reverse Vanillish. And a Sylveon GX. Nice. On to the second pack. That's the code for you. Ooh, there we go. And we start this pack off with Cottony, Bellsprout, Pancham, Snorunt, Chansey, Water Energy, Field Blower, Choice Band, a Metang. Our reverse is Wishy Washy and Oricorio. Cool. And then on to the final pack. Yeah, that's right. We have Delibird, Trubbish, Machop, Rockruff, Beldum, Lightning Energy, Alomomola, Enhanced Hammer, a Vanillish, a reverse, Salazzle, and a final card, Victreebel. Cool. If you enjoy my videos, guys, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.